Is your toddler still not talking, while other kids are saying full sentences? Hi parents, and welcome back to Healthy Kids TV, your trusted source for simple, doctor-approved parenting advice. Today we're tackling an important topic that's on the mind of many parents. When should I introduce allergenic foods to my baby? Whether you're feeling anxious about potential allergies or just unsure about the best practices, we're here to clear up the confusion. So, when should you start introducing allergenic foods like peanuts and eggs? According to the latest pediatric allergy prevention guidelines, early introduction is key. Research now supports introducing peanuts and eggs to infants around 4 to 6 months of age, ideally when your baby is ready to try solid foods. Why? Because introducing these foods early may actually decrease the risk of developing food allergies later. But how do you do it safely? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Make sure your little one is developmentally ready for solids. They should be able to sit with minimal support and have good head control. 2. Start with a small amount, a tiny taste mixed into their usual food to see how they handle it. 3. Monitor closely. Watch for any signs of an allergic reaction like hives, vomiting, or difficulty breathing. 4. If no reaction occurs, gradually increase the quantity over time. What's the story with eggs? Eggs can be introduced in the same 4 to 6 months window. Start with well-cooked eggs, either scrambled or boiled, mashed up into small, manageable pieces. Timing matters. According to guidelines, delaying the introduction of potentially allergenic foods does not prevent allergies and may, in fact, increase the risk. It may feel overwhelming, but take it step by step. Remember to introduce one new food at a time every 3 to 5 days. Keep a food diary to track what your baby eats and any potential reactions. Always have your pediatrician's contact details handy in case of serious reactions. And remember, if there's a history of severe allergic reactions in your family, it's best to discuss with your pediatrician before proceeding. Early introduction, when done thoughtfully and safely, can be the best way to help your child grow up allergy-free. Thank you for joining us on Healthy Kids TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other parents who could benefit from this advice. See you in the next episode.